Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can convert a U-part wig into this beautiful wig without leaving out your hair or without using any closure. So the hair that I'm going to review this wig is from RoyalMe. I'll put all the details for this wig in the description box down below just in case you're interested. So guys, this is the hair right from the box. It has an adjustable strap and a removable adjustable strap. So this is how I'm supposed to wear this hair. I'm supposed to cut that part and leave out my hair, but guys, this is a disclaimer. I'm not going to leave out my hair. So I'm going to show you how you can wear this hair or how you can make this wig without leaving out your hair. The first thing you're supposed to do for today's hack or for today's tutorial, you have to make sure the hair is so full. And this hair that I'm going to use today is so full, so I'm going to cut like 2 or 3 tracks from this hair. And the reason why I'm cutting it is because guys, this hair is so full, even like when I comb it, like it's very full. So if you're going to use today's hack or if you're going to try today's hack, just make sure your hair is full. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to sew the hair that I cut on the U-part because I want to reduce the size of the U-part. I'm going to crochet some hair on the U-part just to make it look more natural. So guys, you can as well just leave out your hair. I just wanted to try something different. And then also, if you don't love the lace or if you want your hair to look more natural or your wig to look more natural, you can just leave out your hair. But I just wanted to try something different, and I really love the outcome because it still looks so natural. So there are 2 ways in which you can create the parting. The first one is to fold the track into 4 or 5 and then sew it on the space to create the parting. With this first method, it may not look as natural as you want it to be. So this second method is the best. You cut the tracks and then crochet them on the space. This hair, because it's wavy, you can pick like 3 or 4 strands of hair. If it was straight hair, you need to pick 1 or 2 to make it look more natural. So I cut the lace and then I combed the hair, and you can see how full it is. So guys, this is the hair. So what I did, I cut the lace and then I applied concealer on the parting just to make it look more natural. So this is the adjustable strap, and then I sewed 2 combs on the sides here and here just to make it more secure. and then it has a comb at the back. As you can see, it's very, very long. So let me just try it on. You can do the side parting or you can do the mid parting. I always prefer the side parting. So one thing I love about this hair is how soft and full it is. But then if you want to reduce the volume, you can just spray some water or apply mousse on it. But I was okay with the volume.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah, for my broken heart, no remedy. But maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. We can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh.
So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in this wig, I'll put all the details in the description box down below. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.
Love my imperfections. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so cool.